What?
Oh, another new product filler. Oh, they can't see that yet. Okay. Open one up. See how
These
those
cannot
look.
be flags, can they?
Oh, maybe. That's big.
Oh my
That's a
God.
sick shop flag right there.
There it is.
Oh, it's a cape now. What do we have here? How are you? Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Dang.
Probably just keep it stock, giving it a coilover and a exhaust modification. That's it. Hi, my name is Eric. I'm a founder of Carbontastic. We mainly doing carbon fiber steering wheel for BMW and Mercedes.
Let's see what you got.
And here is our other sample of the steering wheel. And this one is throtl special order.
Dude, that is unreal. So when I was talking with Eric about making this order for the first time, I was like, let's do something that you have not done before, and we came up with this. So this is matte carbon fiber with the M stripe at the top, matte carbon fiber in the center and the flat bottom, and just smooth leather with the M stitching all the way around. Hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do, and Eric actually brought a ton of awesome other steering wheels. So let me go ahead and do a quick cinematic of all the steering wheels we got here, and then we can talk a little bit more details. Holding on to this surprise for quite a while. I'm so excited. Eric drove from Los Angeles. He brought it down. He brought all that other stuff down too for you guys to take a look at. So I'm gonna link Eric's business, Carbontastic, down in the description, guys. If you guys are interested, please go ahead, check it out. He makes incredible products. So in today's video, we're gonna be replacing the OEM E46 M3 steering wheel with an awesome carbon fiber one. So I will say the interior on this car is getting some massive, massive upgrades. I cannot be more excited right now. Woo! This is gonna look so killer. I'm so stoked. So the first thing we're going to do is just remove the positive terminal on the battery. We don't want to have any electrical issues as we're kind of dealing with the steering wheel area. So pretty simple. Just a 10mm bolt. And you don't have to loosen that all the way. Just get it nice and loose. And there we go. Also, make sure that the terminal does not just fly back to its original location. So I'm gonna probably grab a t-shirt or something, and that way it will prevent it from touching.
Well, basically, you just need to insert a flat head into the back of the steering wheel. You see this, there are two holes at the back. Insert it, right? Then you push the spring at the bottom over there.
Oh, I see.
Both sides are the same process.
Yes.
So when you push that spring, it will release the clip here at the back of the airbag, and your airbag will just pop out.
Okay, cool.
All right.
I'll try it.
You insert the flat head. Do not bend like this way.
Okay.
So you crack the back of the steering wheel.
Yeah. Okay.
If you do more, it will crack over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so that just came out pretty easy actually. Now that you understand like the spring mechanism, it's pretty simple. So I'm assuming pop these off next, Eric?
Yes. For that, you just need to insert a flat head over here.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was really uneventful. Okay, old steering wheel is off. Let's set that over here.
Now onto the new one.
So this is the new steering wheel, guys. I am so excited. This is one of a kind, truly. So this is matte carbon fiber with the M stripes at the top. It has smooth leather all the way around and a flat bottom steering wheel, which is really important to me. The whole center is matte carbon as well. You guys killed it. Carbontastic killed it on this. I'm blown away. I've never seen another steering wheel like this. Okay, so now we plug in the plugs, right? Okay, so we just threaded in the center bolt just by hand and grabbed our handy dandy old school torque wrench here. So the Bentley manual says 46 foot-pounds, so that's what we're gonna do. Now, Let's see, I can't get in there without an extension. So we're gonna put a little extension on here. So I'm gonna turn this up to about 52 foot-pounds because I know you use a little bit with the extension. So don't hose us too much in the comment section. I'm sure this is gonna be fine. So just bear with me here. This is so freaking awesome. What an upgrade. This interior has gotten a huge upgrade in the last like 48 hours. I'm super stoked. Dude, I can't wait to drive it. It looks so good. So let's go ahead and get the battery back on, turn the car on, make sure everything is working, and this job will be done. This looks unbelievable. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What do you think of the matte finish? What do you think of the design that Eric and I put together? I think it looks awesome. I couldn't imagine anything better. Man. I just want to say a huge shout out to Eric once again for coming down and helping me install the wheel. It actually was a lot easier than I thought. Just a couple electrical components and just the one bolt in the center. Overall, that was a super easy process. So let's continue on with the video today. I know there's something that's very important that you guys have been waiting for, and it involves the VR-4. Let's get after it. It's got the final list over from our legal team. I'm here with Rick.
What's up, guys?
And I think Alex is on his way. We are going to be picking the winner for the throtl VIP sweepstakes for April and May. This was a two-part series and we're giving away a 1998 VR-4. Let's take a minute. I'm going to do a flashback of a really cool cinematic that Kevin Tran put together for the VR-4. We got everyone here. We got Mickey. We got Rick. Show the camera. Who's holding the camera right now? Woo! Today is the big day, guys. We're going to be picking the winner. Here we go. We put all of the VIPs into the random list picker online, and here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Rocket Grunt Mark, you just won the VR-4, dude.
Congratulations.
All right, Rocket Grunt Mark, we're gonna give you a phone call right now. Let me get my phone. Assuming his name is Mark, Rocket Grunt Mark.
Yeah.
Here we go. Hey Mark, how's it going, man? This is Evan Beckerman from throtl. I just wanted to touch base with you on a couple of things. If you could give me a call back, my number is 5. Ripperino. Alright, we'll check back in with you if you
phone call will be dope.
Yeah. Alright, we'll check back in with you when Mark calls us back.
A few minutes later.
Just got a message from Mark. He can take a call now. So let's go ahead, give him a ring. Here we go. Hey, Mark.
Hey there, Mr. Beckman. How's it going?
Hey, I'm doing great. Sorry to bother you. I know you're getting a haircut. I'm sitting here with Rick and Alex, and I just wanted to kind of let you know. Actually, I'm here with Mickey as well. You've been selected, man. You won the VR-4 for the VIP sweepstakes.
Shut the hell up.
You won.
You won it.
You won. You won, dude. Congratulations.
Sweet beans and rice. What the hell am I supposed to do now?
You got to find a place for a car, I guess.
Oh my god.
Congrats, dude.
Wow.
Love it.
I did not think in the world that would get selected. This is crazy. I'm in a loss for words, dude. I'm in a loss for words.
That's all good, man. Well, yeah. That's awesome. We're glad you're stoked on this. We're super happy and happy that it's going to someone who's definitely going to appreciate it. And I bet you joining VIP was a good decision then, huh?
Yeah. I've been meaning to do it for a while, and I finally got around to it. Obviously, it shows. I mean, the timing was there, and
Perfect.
wow, sweet.
Perfect. You got a car. So, what part of the country do you live in?
I currently reside in the Rio Grande Valley in South Texas, which is south of San Antonio.
Okay, cool. So not too far. So essentially, I have your email address. I will send you some email. I appreciate you taking a few minutes out of your haircut, but I think the call was probably worth it.
I'm gonna fade right now, dude. This is worth it.
All right, man. Well, I'm actually going to be posting this video today, so stay tuned for that. I'll send you a link to it, and yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you all so much, all you all there, the throtl team. I'm very glad to be a part of it. I want to say huge thanks to you guys for putting the time and effort to build.
Awesome. We're glad you like it, and we're glad you joined VIP, supporting the movement.
Thank you so much, dude.
All right, later.
All right, bye-bye.
Woo! That couldn't have gone to a better person. So Mark, congratulations once again. On behalf of the entire throtl team, we're so happy that you chose to become a VIP member, and now it was worth it. You got a VR-4, so get ready. I hope you start a YouTube channel so we can see this thing live on, and we'll get that email sent out, and we'll get this VR-4 all squared away.
Man, how good does it feel to give a car away to an enthusiast?
It's freaking amazing.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
Awesome.
Before we finish today's video, I do want to announce that the June sweepstakes is officially live. We're giving away $5,000 in new performance parts to spend on the throtl store. So you can buy any part, any configuration of parts for any year, make, and model. We sell over 300,000 different part numbers. If you're not sure what we sell, or if you want to check it out a little bit more, check out the links in the description, guys. That's where we put all of the important information. And also, as a bonus, if you sign up in June, if you're a new VIP, you will also receive a free VIP jet tag included with your welcome package. So we look forward to meeting you guys soon. Thanks again for watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next one.